Elena from Powertrain Products. Today we're going to talk about our 4R100 transmission. This is for your Ford, SUV, and truck applications. Now, similar to our other automatic units, this does come with the torque converter and integral bell housing. However, there are several other things that we do to this unit, including a Transgo updated valve body and pump. Now, the pump assists with more volume. We use new bushings, molded rubber pistons, and brand new sprags. And then finally, we use steel planetaries and gear train. All of these assist in addressing the known case warpage issues. The unit is dyno tested to ensure operability before shipping out of our center, and it will come back with our Powertrain promise. If this is the transmission for you and you would like to talk to a rep about pricing, give us a call at 888-842-0023 or our website, which is powertrainproducts.net.